Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how to clean your headlights. As you can see, this car has done about 150,000 miles, and you can see the headlights, they are all in bad condition. This is the solution I bought from a shop. This was around about $5.99, and I'm just gonna apply this and see how it goes. Okay. You apply it on the headlight with some kind of cloth, and see how it goes. Might have a seal. Let me take the seal off first. Yeah. This is how it looks like from inside. Right, let's see. A little bit on. Just apply a little bit onto the rag and just do a circular motion. A bit better than what it was before. So right guys, I've just done the first session, and it's a bit better than what it was. So I'm just gonna have a break and then gonna start again on it, and hopefully it's gonna come up nice and clear. As I said to you, this is the product I'm using, and I need to change the rag as well for the second application. So hopefully when I apply it second time, hopefully it's gonna be nice and clear. Good luck.